Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best oversized bike seats available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to upgrade your Peloton, cruiser, or electric bike, these seats promise comfort and durability. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Blue Wind new Noseless oversized bike seat. This 2024 release brings a fresh take on bike seat design with its innovative noseless build and oversized dimensions, measuring 13 inches by 9 inches. The standout feature here is the design itself, which eliminates friction between your thighs and the cushion, making it a solid choice for long rides. The saddle is filled with 2.5-inch thick foam padding that provides a nice balance between softness and support. It's also wrapped in durable microfiber PU leather that's resistant to wear, slip, and rain. When it comes to performance, this seat excels in reducing pressure on your back and tailbone thanks to its ergonomic shape. It's designed to fit most electric bikes, mountain bikes, and cruisers, although it's worth noting that it's incompatible with triangular-shaped exercise bike adapters. On the road, the upgraded double shock absorption system ensures a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces. However, its 300-pound weight limit is lower compared to other seats on this list, which may be a drawback for some users. Overall, the Blue Wind new noseless bike seat is perfect for cyclists who prioritize comfort and thigh mobility. It includes helpful extras like reflective tape and installation tools, but its limited compatibility may deter stationary bike users. If you're looking for a high-quality noseless seat for outdoor rides, this one is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Woovop oversized bike seat, designed with comfort and practicality in mind. This wide saddle measures 11 by 10.5 inches, offering ample room for support during long rides. The seat is equipped with 2 shock-absorbing balls that cushion against bumps and uneven terrain, making it an excellent choice for city bikes, cruisers, and exercise bikes. Its red reflective strip on the back adds a layer of safety for nighttime or low-visibility riding. The design is simple yet effective, featuring a fixed sponge cushion wrapped in waterproof and wear-resistant faux leather. The material is easy to clean and non-slip, ensuring stability during rides. The universal fit design is compatible with most bike types, making installation quick and hassle-free. However, its 250-pound weight limit might not accommodate heavier riders, which is something to keep in mind. The Woovop bike seat is ideal for casual riders or those looking to replace their stock saddle with a more comfortable option. While it lacks advanced features like memory foam or cooling gel, its affordability and practicality make it a strong contender for everyday use. If safety and simplicity are your priorities, this seat delivers great value. At number 3, we have the Blue Wind oversized bike seat with a novel backrest design. This seat offers a unique combination of comfort and support, making it perfect for long rides. Measuring 13.8 by 11.8 inches, it's one of the largest options on our list, with 7 centimeters of thick foam padding for excellent hip support. The backrest design also sets it apart by alleviating pressure on your tailbone and back, ensuring a pain-free experience. The seat is wrapped in quality microfiber artificial leather that's both wear-resistant and waterproof. Its short nose design allows for unrestricted thigh movement, which is great for cyclists who prefer indoor or outdoor riding. The double shock absorption system ensures smooth rides even on rough terrain, although its 350-pound weight limit is lower than some competing models. The included reflective tape and installation tools are thoughtful extras that add value. This Blue Wind seat is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a wide saddle with advanced ergonomic features. However, it's not compatible with triangular-shaped exercise bike adapters, which limits its use somewhat. If you're looking for a durable, supportive seat for electric or cruiser bikes, this one fits the bill. At number 2, we have the 2024 new noseless bike seat cushion from Maples. This oversized saddle is specifically designed for riders with larger builds, and its ergonomic convex shape supports up to an impressive 650 pounds. Measuring 13.39 by 12.2 inches, this seat offers superior comfort with high-density memory foam and cooling gel padding, enhancing both support and breathability during extended rides. The noseless design reduces friction and pressure on the thighs, while the strong shock spring balls absorb road bumps effectively. Its PU leather surface is waterproof, breathable, and non-slip, ensuring durability and stability. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the universal bike adapter and included tools. However, like other noseless seats, it requires an additional adapter for exercise bikes with triangular-shaped connectors. Two Maples delivers one of the most comfortable bike seats on the market, making it ideal for Peloton users, electric bike owners, and cruiser riders. While the price isn't listed, its features and durability justify its inclusion near the top of our list. If you're looking for ultimate comfort and support, this seat won't disappoint. And finally, at number 1, we have the Noseless bike seat cushion from Two Maples. This seat combines thoughtful engineering with premium materials to provide the ultimate riding experience. With dimensions of 13 by 9 inches, it offers plenty of space for larger riders, while the patented concave-shaped base ensures stability and comfort. The seat supports up to 580 pounds, which is impressive for its size. What sets this seat apart is its high-density memory foam padding and cooling gel, which alleviate tailbone pain and keep you cool during long rides. The PU leather surface is waterproof and non-slip, ensuring durability even in outdoor conditions. Installation is quick and easy, and the included reflective armband adds an extra layer of safety for night rides. Its advanced shock absorption system eliminates discomfort from bumpy roads, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and highly comfortable bike seat, the Two Maples Noseless cushion is the clear winner. It's a great choice for Peloton users, electric bike riders, and anyone who spends long hours cycling. While it requires an additional adapter for certain exercise bikes, its overall performance and features make it the best oversized bike seat on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.